Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, we have another makeup haul. So this is definitely not all at once. This has definitely been for months and months now. I can't even remember how long it's been. Since I did a last haul was when this pile of stuff started to collect. So it's definitely not an all at once thing. I definitely couldn't afford to buy this all at once. But yeah, this is what I've collected over the past few months. So yeah, let's get into it. I have a real problem here. I need to stop. I don't even know what order this is all in. So it's just going to be in a random order, random places. Who knows? It's just a bunch of stuff. So a few palettes that I've bought recently first one is the Morphe and Manny and Mue palette. Morphe recently had half price sale, hence me buying so many of their palettes. So this is the palette. And that's what that one looks like. Definitely like that, you know, classic everyday sort of palette. It's even got some cheek products. Next is the Madison Beer Channel Surfing Artistry palette. I honestly don't even know who Madison Beer is. I just liked the palette. So I like the grey packaging. And the names are on the plastic thing, which I do not like. But that is the palette. It's definitely a classic neutral palette. And the last thing I got from Morphe was the Jaclyn Hill Volume 2. Again, all these Morphe products were half price, so that's why I could justify it. I wouldn't have bought them if they weren't half price. So that is the palette. It is definitely brighter than the last one she did, which I also have. Gonna have fun. And I also got, this is when they released it first, so I got it at the very first launch, was the Nikkie Tutorials palette from Beauty Bay. Yeah, this was released a while ago, so it proves how long I've been collecting this stuff. But this is the palette. How gorgeous. It opens up in the middle. All these bloody pieces of plastic. So it opens up in the middle, and that is the palette. Can't wait to play with those. It even comes with a little card about each shadow and the best way to apply it. So that's really cool. So I got the Mario Badescu Mini Mist Collection. I know Mario Badescu sprays are in no way beneficial to you whatsoever. I understand facial sprays do nothing for you, but I enjoy the experience. So that's why I got it. I spent 30 bucks on the experience of mist. I need help. On that same boat, I got the Mecca Cosmetica Hydrating Mist. Mine's almost ran out, so I picked up another one. Again, I know mists do nothing for you. It is all an experience. So I spent $28 on this one mist to experience it. And I like it. Do what makes you happy. And when I ordered that, it came with a little Mecca Beauty Lip bonus, which is a by Terry lip treatment. So I have to give that one a go. Speaking of lip treatments, I also got some Burt's Bees lip balms. I did get 3. I got 2 of the coconut and pears. I'm using one already. And then I also got the ultra conditioning. These are my 2 favorites. Also, as a sample gift, I got another Brazilian bum gum cream. Still haven't used the last sample I got, but I thought that was a pretty decent sized sample of the bum gum cream. So yeah, nice freebie there. Also got, I think as a freebie, was the Too Faced Hangover RX primer. I already have one of these. I think I got it as a bonus when ordering some other stuff, so happy to have another one of those. So I got some other stuff when I got the Nikkie Tutorials palette from Beauty Bay. So I also got the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Foundation in the Dewy. I have the original, but I feel like I'm going to like the Dewy one a little bit better. And then I also got this Wet n Wild little quad. It's in Walking on Eggshells. It's like that classic one that everybody like knows about from back in the day. Not having Wet n Wild like in stores here in Australia, I never really got to try it when it was all the rage, so I thought for a couple bucks I'd pick that one up now. From Beauty Bay, I also picked up the LA Girl Slim Shady Brow Pencil because Jessica Braun does not stop using this, so I have to finally give it a go and spend a couple bucks. This was also a freebie. It's a Mecca Max lipstick in the shade Reality Check. I got it when I placed an order on Supre just for some singlets. So you press that end bit in and it pops out the lipstick. How cute is that? And then it pops back in. Also got ages ago some glitters. I got them from In Your Dreams. So I got a gold leaf and silver screen, and the glitters is already dripping on me, but these are the glitters I got. I just haven't really experimented with glitter, so I figured for a couple bucks, why not give it a go? And it's literally getting everywhere and I haven't even opened it. I also got this ages ago. It is the XX Revolution Quad in, doesn't say what shade it's in. Exposed. Jessica Braun says it's a dupe for the Charlotte Tilbury Pillow Talk Quad. I have no idea about that, but that's what the quad looks like. Stunning. So for a few bucks, why not give it a go? Got some of these. They are the Soap and Glory gloss sticks. I got Nudist and Technicoral. They're just kind of little like sticks that are glossy. So yeah, for a few bucks, well, why not? There seems to be a trend going on here. For a few bucks, I thought, why not? It's happening. Also got a MAC lipstick in the shade Patisserie because again, Jessica Braun loves this one. Jessica, you need to stop making me buy things. That is the shade of it. I also got a MAC lip pencil in the shade Spice. Classic lip pencil. I'm pretty sure we all know what it looks like. Because I have been using mine to death and it really needs replacing, I bought another Tangle teaser. This one was like a rainbow sort of mermaid looking one, so I thought that would be fun. Definitely needed a new one. Mine was really old, starting to be a bit grubby. I picked up a little sheet mask to treat myself and to meet the free shipping. It's from the brand 16 brand. And it's mango and grapefruit sheet mask. $2. Needed to meet free shipping. I got this little lip gloss set from Anastasia. It is the holiday lip gloss set. Very fun. Love lip gloss at the moment. I also got this little set from Marc Jacobs. It has a bronzer and a mascara in it. Dying to give those a go. I also got this one at work. It is the Designer Brands Champagne Glow Illumination Palette. It was only $12.99, so I figured I'd give it a go. That's what that one looks like. Some fun highlighters. Thought I'd give the Designer Brands highlighters a go since I haven't yet tried any from them. I also got this set from Fenty Beauty. It's a little one of their eyeshadow palettes and mascara, which I'm really trying to try. Those are the shades in the eyeshadow palette. I also got a gift set from NARS. It's a palette with lip product in this gold pouch. So it's a little lip gloss in the shade Orgasm. And I also got the Afterglow eyeshadow palette. And look at that packaging, guys. It is gorgeous. And that is what the eyeshadow palette looks like. So fun. So yeah, I will insert a clip now of some of the stuff I sent my parents to give me for Christmas because I picked out what I wanted. So, because I'm filming this before Christmas, so next week, insert clip for next week. So in terms of what I got for Christmas this year, I did order all this and send it to my parents, so don't worry. Like, they didn't seem to know all this stuff. Did get some samples. I'm actually really excited about this sample that came with the order because it's been sitting in my wish list for a really long time now because of Hiram. So the fact that I have a sample now rather than having to bite the bullet and ordering it, I get to see if I actually like it. And some other samples and stuff. I got the Jouer Paris Lights, like highlighter and lip oil set. So this cute little lip oil, and then this gorgeous highlighter. Can't wait to give those a go. Also got this lip gloss duo from Bare Minerals. To be honest, I was surprised. It looked a bit smaller, but it does say full size. So yeah, very, you know, I was surprised, but you know, it's all good nonetheless. Those are the nudes. We've got a warm and a cool tone. Very pretty. When I did the Sephora order, I also cashed in 1,000 points. So I got this Huda Beauty Coral Obsessions palette all for free because it only cost me 1,000 points, and I thought that was a great deal. I know people have been like always like, you know, oh, I've got 100 points, I'll cash out a tiny little sample. I was like, nah, I'm gonna save my points and wait for something really great, and I got this one. That is the palette. It looks absolutely gorgeous. I just can't believe that I got this with my points rather than having to buy it for like a lot of money. So yeah, super excited about that. And it wouldn't be me if I didn't buy the Fenty Beauty Glossy Possy Holiday Edition. I absolutely love this lip gloss formula. It's one of my favorites. So I had to get the next kit. I got it last year as well. So I'm very excited to add some more shades to my collection. And I'm very excited to try the new cream ones. Let me know if you've tried them yet. I kind of want them to come out in a little set like these rather than to choose a shade, just because I only have the minis for like all of them. So I kind of want them to all be the same size, if that's kind of weird. And I also got this Sephora Favorites Give Me Some Lip. It's got a full-size Anastasia, Becca, and Huda product, and then some like a couple minis. So yeah, that was a great like value for money. And yeah, I got to try out some new products and some new brands. Next, I also got the Morphe 9V Vintage Rose palette. That's what it looks like. It's very pink and romantic, and I just really wanted to give it a go. I hate how large most of the Morphe palettes are, but the fact that there's like smaller ones now, I just really wanted to give it a go because those giant palettes are so daunting that it's kind of scary to use them, even though I keep buying them for some reason. So yeah, wanted to give out one of their little more, you know, easier palettes. You know, it's less daunting. It's not as hard to choose a shade. There's just only a few options, and you could definitely make a bunch of different looks. And last, I got this Brush Lust 10-piece eye brush set from Morphe. I definitely have a bunch more eye brushes to play with because I definitely need some more eye brushes. I got tons of face brushes, but I always seem to be like running out of eye brushes. So lovely to add these to the collection. So yeah, that is everything. So yeah, that is everything I have gotten in the last few months of 2020. I look forward to not buying as much stuff in 2021. Although I've been saying that for years, haven't I? I really do need to stop. Sephora, Mecca, stop making me meet the, you know, requirements for membership. And Morphe, stop having half price sales. And Kate, stop giving in to temptation. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this makeup haul. Let me know in the comments what you guys have been buying recently. If you've tried any of these products, please let me know because I have been saving them all for the haul and haven't tried them yet. So now that I've hauled them, I will add them to my makeup collection and start using things. But yeah, let me know in the comments. Make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys!